the SIT team asked for 7 days of police custody, and we have objected to that one. However, for the interest of the case, the court has given 7 days of police custody, and he will be produced on the 12th of November. And the court has directed the IO to ensure the safety of Mr. Iangrai with regard to his health and his medication, and has been directed to produce for medical checkup every 48 hours. So right as of now, that is the thing. So he has been given 7 days of police custody.
You are earlier planning to seek judicial custody. So,
Yes. We have objected strongly to the police custody, saying owing to his health and because the interrogation can be done in judicial custody as well. However, the court declined to accept our objections and says that this is a period of investigation because IO's prayer has been accepted.
so what will be your next move, if you can tell us?
Next move, you see, police custody is going on now. We think that let the investigation be carried out properly, and thereafter we will see his new course of action. Probably on 14th we will put his bail application.
Thank you.